defend our rights today? So it might be raining, but our spirits are not dampened. We are not dampened, and right now what I'd like to do is acknowledge that we are on lands traditionally stewarded by the Tohono people and the Pascua people since time immemorial. I also want to thank Vice Mayor Santa Cruz that has been an incredible council member and supported the resolution that the mayor and council passed before the fall of Roe v. Wade, when we had heard that there was a possibility that it would. So much love to our fearless leader, Vice Mayor Santa Cruz. And all of my colleagues on the council for that matter, because it was a unanimous passed resolution and we led in the country. Tucson led in the country to take action before Roe fell. And I just wanted to get a little bit of love and send our love and support to our attorneys from Planned Parenthood and our county attorney, Laura Conover, that are inside and are not here outside with us, but are inside defending our rights. So let's send them some love with some screaming and yelling and support so that they can hear us. So they can hear that we're out here. Aquí estamos y no nos vamos. So we are here, we all know why we're here. We all know that our rights have been trampled on, and they will continue to be trampled on if it weren't for organizations like Planned Parenthood, elected officials that are standing up throughout the country, like here in Tucson, to say, no más. No más y nunca nos quitarán los derechos. Not anymore, and you will not take our rights from us. You will not take our rights from us. It is, at this day and time in history, we are seeing young people have much less rights than our mothers, than ourselves. And we cannot and should not let that happen, and we will do everything we possibly can, including going to court, to defend our bodily autonomy. So I ask each and every one of you, and those that are watching from home, and those that are across the city of Tucson that could not be here with us today because they're either working or with their kids, we need to ask our community to show up as if our rights depend on it, because they do. Right now, we can go to the courts, but in November, we have to send elected officials that believe in abortion as health care and as a primary right of individuals to have bodily autonomy. Up and down the ballot. This is so important for us to continue being involved in our community and taking control of the people that we send, not just to Congress, but to the state legislature, because right here, the fight is right here, on these doorsteps in this state. It's right here. So, even though it's raining, I don't want your spirits dampened, because this is not the end. This is not the end of the road. And you have someone like me, the mayor of the city of Tucson, that will stand right here with you as far as we need to take it to make sure that our rights are not trampled on. No other people have laws that affect their bodily autonomy. No other people. It just doesn't make any sense. It does not compute how someone, because of their religious beliefs, would want to tell me or my child what to do with their body when healthcare is needed. It does not compute. Because it does not. Because it doesn't make sense. And so it's not democratic. It is not democratic. It is not what this country is. So we need to continue showing up for Planned Parenthood, showing up for these elections. Really, I'm serious, these elections will define the next 50 years in our country. These elections are so important up and down the ballot because they're not just attacking our bodily autonomy. They are attacking voting rights, they're attacking healthcare, they're attacking public education, they are attacking democracy. And so I'm here, I'm standing with you, I'm standing with Planned Parenthood, I'm standing with County Attorney Laura Conover and the rest of the state, because you know what, Republicans, they are not mirroring and they are not representing Arizonans. 9 out of 10 Arizonans believe that people should have the right to choose their health care as they need. And they believe that part of that health care is abortion services. 9 out of 10 Arizonans. Who are Republicans representing in the state legislature is not Arizonans. It is not Arizonans. And so let's continue rallying, let's continue marching, let's continue doing what we need to do, which is organizing and getting people out to vote, because it's in the best interest of Tucsonans and Arizonans for us to see people that believe in democracy, that believe in abortion, and that abortion is part of our healthcare decisions, that believe in bodily autonomy, in public education, and providing healthcare to those that need it, and voting, and in our democracy. So I stand with you, and we will continue doing everything we possibly can. And by the way, working with our city attorney and our chief of police, we passed a resolution which gives orders to our police department to not arrest those providers that provide abortion services in the city of Tucson. And you have their support as well. So we continue opening doors and breaking barriers in this city, and we will do so in Arizona, and we will do so in this country. Let's not give up, and let's fight as much as we possibly can. Muchísimas gracias.